present here in large number for the 30th season of Endowment Lecture Series and Orientation Program.
Understanding spirituality, what it is, and how to connect as saints have done it. They have condensed that knowledge into such a small area. Rabda ki pauna edro putna te edar launa. It is so easy that you de-link your attention from body and mind, means from time and material, and link it to your source. A gush of knowledge will appear and the things will change.
Science is universal, while technology could be regional or national. Our knowledge is constantly growing because scientific information has been shared across national boundaries. I strongly believe that in the last 65 years or so, space science research has followed the path of international cooperation and peaceful uses of outer space. I certainly hope we will continue to do so in the future.
ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयो, वही ज्ञानेश्वर का संदेश है। और ये जो सीरीज है ज्ञानेश्वर तुकाराम महाराज के नाम पे, इसमें तो इतना सुंदर फ्रॉम संत ज्ञानेश्वर टू अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, ये कोई मजे की बात नहीं। देखो, पढ़ो, विश्वास करो। मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव, आचार्य देवो भव। वेरी सिंपल वर्ड्स, बट आई सिंसियरली फील दैट a few of us, if we can devote our life and contribute to the well-being of the society and the nation and the whole world, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.